Hello and welcome to Fluent English Classroom. I'm your instructor, and I'm thrilled to embark on this English language journey with you. In this first lesson, we'll dive into the basics of greetings and essential phrases for everyday conversations. Whether you're a beginner or need a quick refresher, this lesson is perfect for you. So, let's get started. Before we jump into learning greetings, let's talk about their significance. Greetings are essential in social interactions. They help us establish connections, show respect, and make others feel welcome. By mastering basic greetings, you'll be equipped to engage in conversations and build relationships with confidence. Let's begin with the most common greetings: hello and goodbye. In English, there are various ways to greet someone depending on the time of day and level of formality. Here are a few examples. Hello can be said as hi, hey, or howdy. For a more formal greeting, you can say good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. When saying goodbye, you can use goodbye, bye, see you later, or take care. Now, let's practice the pronunciation together. Repeat after me: hello, goodbye. Excellent. Introducing yourself is an important skill when meeting new people. Let's go through the components of a self-introduction. Start with your name, nationality, occupation, and any hobbies or interests you'd like to share. Here's an example. Hello, my name is Yone. I'm from Australia. I work as a software engineer. In my free time, I enjoy my work. Practice along with me. Say your name, country, occupation, and hobbies out loud. Great job! Now, let's move on to small talk questions. These are simple questions used to start conversations and show interest in others. Here are a few examples. What do you do for a living? What are your hobbies? How's the weather today? Remember, small talk helps create a friendly atmosphere. Practice responding to these questions and engage in conversations with others using the greetings and phrases we've learned. Let's recap what we've covered in this lesson. We explored greetings like hello and goodbye, learned how to introduce ourselves, and practiced small talk questions. Now, it's your turn to practice. I encourage you to use these greetings and phrases in real-life situations, whether it's with friends, family, or even in the comments section below. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become in using English greetings. That concludes our first English lesson. I hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. In our upcoming lessons, we'll delve into more exciting topics to further enhance your English skills. Make sure to subscribe to Fluent English Classroom and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future lessons. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in